Coronavirus testing of more than 1,300 people who protested Minnesota's Twin Cities after the death of George Floyd shows few new positive cases, according to a report.
Health officials across the country have expressed fear the mass protests over the black man's death in police custody that have taken place over the past 2 weeks could lead to new outbreaks of the virus.
But those fears haven't been borne out in Minneapolis and St. Paul, as of yet, based on early test results, the St. Paul Pioneer Press reported Saturday.
Dr. Fauci says George Floyd protests provide perfect recipe for new coronavirus surges.
Minnesota health officials are conducting coronavirus tests for protesters at 4 sites in Minneapolis and St. Paul, according to the paper.
So far, more than 3,300 protesters have shown up to be tested, and of that number, 40%, or about 1,300, have gotten their test results back.
Health officials worry about second coronavirus wave after George Floyd.
The paper reported that of that number only about 1.4% tested positive for the virus, the paper reported.
That's lower than the 3.7% positivity rate reported Friday of 13,000 test results statewide, the paper reported. It is also lower than the current 7-day average rate of positive tests, which also stands at 3.7%.
Click here for more coronavirus coverage.
Chris Arisman, State Department of Health Director of Infectious Disease, said there were not enough results to draw firm conclusions about the impact of the mass gatherings on Minnesota's coronavirus outbreak, according to the paper.
Click here to get the Fox News app.
Our testing is a bit preemptive, if you will, Arisman said. It is a different situation.